How I did it. So I'm gonna show my brother. Tell me when.
It's going.
Oh, okay. Hi, Jay. Okay. It's polyurethane diluted 50-50 with mineral spirits. And you want to wipe it on and keep your rag wet, keep your rag wet, and keep your rag flat. If you get bubbles, they should come out. And if not, you can lightly blowtorch it.
Oh yeah.
Carefully though, because it's kind of flying for you now.
Boy, look at that. Here comes the mirror.
Key is right.
What else y'all did today? Just the flat boxes? Malcolm?
Huh?
What else did y'all do besides just the flat boxes? Y'all
Clean, clean, clean.
Clean. All right, so we'll try to clean that.
Great reflection.
Yeah. So you know how the wood looks 3D and
Oh yeah.
that's called chatoyance.
Chatoyance, right?
Chatoyance, yeah.
Sounds French.
This wood has a lot of chatoyance. After I get it on, depending on how it looks, I may come back and smooth it with a final pass. That's a little too much, so I'm gonna spread it out.
Do you do the edge
I
last
do
or
it
you?
last.
Okay.
Because it drips around it.
Okay. Yeah. That makes sense. I can't tell which looks better, live or looking through the phone at it.
Good naked
Look at that, man, that's a mirror finish.
And it's remarkable, like half that sign now is showing in the
Yeah.
reflection, and then each swipe you do down, more of the sign's coming in.
I'm looking at the roof to the tail.
We're getting, I guess mostly that wall because of this angle. You can see the beams from the roof though.
Yeah.
The key is,
Can you put too much?
Check this.
yes, the key is a light pressure.
You don't want it pooling up, right? Look at that.
When you look at that,
You can see the beams from up. Yeah, you can see.
That's great. Look at the grain on some of those right there. Holy crap. Charles, it looks like a mirror. I can see it clearly.
Yeah, you gotta contaminate.
Look at
that,
that.
both of y'all and
your chromos.
Man, starting to get some contaminants. That's a problem. So this is semi-gloss, so as it starts to flash off, you're gonna see like almost matte looking areas, but that's normal.
Yep. Would the gloss maintain that kind of a shine?
Yeah, it's supposed to.
And is there something glossier than gloss?
Nope. That was it.
A diamond. It's a diamond finish.
This table is a girl's best friend. 'Cause it shines like a diamond.
It shines like a diamond.
Boy, this is a cool shot. Look at that. It doesn't really pick up in live, but on the phone.
Look at that. You can't. It looks like a patch. You know what I'm saying? That's just a clean. You should. You could take pictures while you're recording. You just hit that.
If that guy would get out of the way.
I know, right? He's just like, he thinks he's so good looking. I swear. Like,
So that's what that would be.
yeah,
I
you
see.
could take a picture.
Oh, that would be a good picture.
Bam.
Alright.
Bam.
Nice.
Look at that. You can show him that. It looks like an illusion.
It really looks unusual. It's an unusual,
It's a trick shot.
or I guess shot.
It's magic.
Shit. That's through my rag. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I was wiping and I let go.
I was gonna say, like, I thought you were saying I'm done with this. Like,
Now I'm finding contaminants. Trying to get them out.
Well, you've still got more coats to go.
Yeah.
We're gonna show
Okay.
your brother Dolores. Where's Dolores?
Cool.
There's Dolores.
oh, that's not Dolores. That's Grandma Cat. What up, Grams?
Okay, guys.
You the one that killed that iguana this morning?
That's
You're
it.
almost coming up on 6 minutes here.
Yeah, that's it, man.